In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's viewpoint on its future while examining the speculative chemistry in every practical sense, address cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to in a real sense think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything especially is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like speculative chemistry generally pay. Presently, we should head into it, which is genuinely huge. Before we dive sort of profound into the speculative chemistry, follow through on cost expectation and answer questions in the event that it is a genuinely wise venture or not. For what reason will it succeed or explicitly come up short, or for what reason will speculative chemistry sort of address cost rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what it fundamentally is in its to-date history, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Its value expectation for the kind of next 10 days. The exceptionally entire crypto world in every way that really matters is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin truly has fallen 75% from its untouched essentially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional sort of stable business sectors, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the especially second piece of the year, which is genuinely critical. This basically is reflected in our 2023 forecasts in a fundamentally enormous way. At the present time, Bitcoin quite to really find a base before we can move the other way and by and large alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We most certainly have seen this situation many essentially times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model especially is negative for the genuinely next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a significant manner. We really expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike in an unobtrusive manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task incredibly. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical truly potential, and a few really other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in an unpretentious way. 2022-12-01 in an unobtrusive manner. 5.19% $0 0088 2022 1202 0.11% $0 0092 2022 1204 amazingly 6.66% $0 0086 2022 1205 in a sort of significant manner. 0.56% $0 0092 2022 1206 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7.57% $0 0085 2022 1207, which generally is very critical. 3.11% $0 0089 2022 1208 0.74% $0 0092 2022 1209 0.08% $0 0092 2022 1210 9.22% $0 chemistry truly follow through on cost expectation 2022. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 truly isn't looking excessively great for the bulls in a significant manner. We will most likely explicitly see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to sort of slip decently lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be, or so they thought. $15.07% $0 0078 2023 Jan. 31.73% $0 0063 2023 Feb. 32.63% $0 0062 2023 blemish in a really significant manner. 24.68% $0 0070 2023 APRA, which is very huge. 16.85% $0 0077 2023 May. 4.07% $0.00892023 SEP, or so they essentially thought, plus 10.66% $0.01022023 OCT, or so they thought, plus 14.09% $0.01052023 NA, plus 15.20% 1 cent a CH value expectation 2025 in a for the most part huge manner. Our expectation model sees it coming to 1 cent in 2025 in a significant manner. The cost of it in 5 years could generally lie around 20 cents, in an unobtrusive manner. What speculative chemistry in a real sense pay will be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees speculative chemistry pay coming to $0 in 2030 and in every way that really matters, huge way. What speculative chemistry sort of pay will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees speculative chemistry most certainly pay coming to $0 in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Will speculative chemistry certainly pay supplant, certainly outperform, by and large overwhelm Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner? No, speculative chemistry essentially pay won't supplant or surpass BTC, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Could speculative chemistry at any point pay essentially reach 10 cents, which is very huge? Indeed, speculative chemistry pay can reach 10 cents toward the finish of 2022, which is genuinely critical. Could speculative chemistry at any point pay explicitly reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for speculative chemistry pay to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period in an unobtrusive manner. Could speculative chemistry at any point pay basically reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for speculative chemistry sort of pay to especially reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. How high will speculative chemistry explicitly pay go, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Our determining model sees speculative chemistry follow through on cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is speculative chemistry generally pay genuinely worth purchasing, which especially is very critical. We really don't see a very brilliant future for speculative chemistry pay, which is genuinely critical. It explicitly merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with an essentially decent leave system, which all things considered, is very critical. Speculative chemistry by and large compensation is certainly not a sort of good long-haul hold, which is very critical. Is speculative chemistry pay a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Speculative chemistry for the most part pay by and large is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why in a truly significant manner? Indeed, it in a real sense faces a furious contest from essentially other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't generally have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the task by and large is doubtful. Might speculative chemistry at any point by and large compensation really make you a mogul in an unpretentious manner? No, speculative chemistry most certainly pay might not cause you a mogul as we had